So I'm a barber out here.
Oh, for real?
And yeah, dude, and I wanted to see if you wanted to cut.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, but not only that, dude, I saw you got a Bible, and I wanted to bless you up with some other stuff, like maybe clothes. We could go.
Some clothes?
We could go out to eat. I got money for you and stuff like that.
Some money?
Hell yeah, bro.
All right.
We got beers for you too, so I'm not forgetting you, dude.
You got $5?
Yeah, dude, I got more than $5. So yeah, dude, if you want to come through, join us all day.
Yeah.
Yeah, come through, man. You can bring the Bible too.
Okay.
Yeah, dude, we could buy you more steaks too.
Okay.
Yeah, dude, that's cool.
We got clothes, food, beer, whatever you want.
Everything, bro.
Okay, I'll come with you.
Yes, dude.
It's hotted up.
We got you, bro. We got you. Hey, first of all, I appreciate you coming.
Yeah, I got Kelly. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, dude.
That was some tight gigs.
Oh, yes. How long you been homeless for?
I'm at home. I have a sister and my mom. My mom's coming today. Somewhere. She works at Motorola.
Oh, okay.
So what was your name, Kelly?
Kelly, Oscar Perez. I got kids by Diane Garcia.
Oh, really?
Yeah. She lives in that greenhouse. You know where Home Depot is?
Yeah. Dude, I'm not from here, so like, where?
You know,
is it far away from here?
You know where that Home Depot is?
I've seen one. I've seen a couple around here.
But that greenhouse over there, that's where Diane Garcia lives. I got 5 kids by her.
Oh, wow.
She's an angel.
Yeah.
Do you hear voices?
Nah, dude.
You don't?
No.
You thirsty, man? You want a water?
No, I'm cool.
Are you good?
You good?
Wait, so you have people come up to you a lot?
Some people, not too many.
Oh,
you remember Amos Key?
Yeah.
I hated that motherfucking thing. Yeah.
Are you excited for a haircut, man?
Yeah, I think I
Excited?
When was the last time you got a haircut?
How long?
Like more like a year? More than a year?
It's been quite a while.
Quite a while.
I do need a haircut.
I got you, dude.
That's cool.
What are you reading, bro?
See, the path of righteousness is like the light of dawn, shining brighter and brighter until the day. Huh. I read that.
Which one?
The path of righteousness is like the light of dawn.
Yeah.
It was cool, right?
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
So you pray right before you eat and stuff like that?
Yeah, pray for him.
Maybe this is the reason I'm here in front of you. You know what I mean? It's crazy. This is crazy to see.
You like coffee?
Yeah, dude.
That's
You?
cool. Yeah, I love coffee.
We got you with coffee.
Okay. I don't drink beer, do you?
You don't drink beer?
I don't ever drink beer.
No, dude, we got you with coffee, bro.
Oh, coffee's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, just I'm hearing voices already. It's so good.
Yo, so what's your last name?
Peters, yeah. Oh, Garcia.
Okay.
Peter Garcia.
Garcia.
You got a lot of friends out here?
No, already have.
Hardly. So you like chilling alone and stuff?
Yeah.
Favorite?
It sucks, bro. I do have family, but I haven't seen today. Yeah, thank you.
No, dude.
Y'all are all angels.
Thank you.
But yeah, I remember I saw you one time before, a long time ago.
Oh, shoot, where at?
Remember a long time ago?
Where at?
Same three people, Godfrey. It was like a long time ago, but I forgot what happened. I can't remember.
I actually forgot.
I can't remember, but it was all 3 of y'all. Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a long time ago. I can't remember. It was a long time ago. That's a lot of money. Y'all smoke crack?
Nah.
No.
You do?
No. Sometimes not really.
Smoke pot?
No weed?
No. Sometimes. I think some of the people took away my memory along, not y'all, but like Miss Yvette.
Yeah,
Miss Yvette.
Miss Yvette McKinney put something in my drink all the time.
Yeah.
And erased all my memory.
Damn, dude. I don't know why people be doing that.
Yeah, that was a long time ago.
So Miss Yvette took your memory away?
Yeah, that time like put something in my drink or something.
Damn, dude. What's
And after that, you can't remember a lot of things or what?
Yeah, I still remember, but you know when they put those pills and stuff in your drink, it erased my memory.
That's like a roofie, isn't it?
I don't know what it was.
Some shit like that.
Stuff like that.
Yeah, stuff like that, bro. That's just crazy, right?
Yeah.
She fucked you over, huh?
Yeah, a lot of time.
Continue straight.
You don't like her?
That's not right, dude. That's not right. I bet we're here.
We're
We can get you that cut, remember?
okay.
Sister?
Yeah.
Alright, so you want me to work my magic or?
Yeah.
You want me to work my magic?
Yeah.
Alright.
Your sister's gonna be like, damn, Kelly, you changed.
Damn, Kelly.
Good haircut.
Yeah.
You're the star of the show, man.
Yeah.
Alright, so look, these are all the options we got right here. Man, I feel like something like this.
Yeah, it'd be cool.
Like that?
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, man.
Oh, yes, dude.
Thank you, Angel. You're an angel.
Dude, thank you.
Thank you very much.
I got you, dude. Okay. Hey, no problem for me. This is what I do, man.
Thank you very much. I would give you some money. I just don't have I'm broke.
No, dude, I don't. Dude, I don't want anything from you, dude.
I'm so broke.
I don't want anything from you.
No, thank you. I did look better. Oh yeah. I look a little bit better.
Right?
Oh yeah. Ooh, y'all having a good day, right?
Yes, sir. Are you?
Yeah.
Yes, Kelly.
Thank you.
Of course.
Yeah. You take off the little bit of
that dirt, right?
Yeah, with that.
Yeah, it looks better. It looks better, huh?
So much better.
Oh yeah, I look a little better.
Oh yeah, dude.
Y'all look good too.
Dude, thank you. Dude, yeah, I got you. This is your bag.
Okay.
Full of toiletries, so you could take care of yourself. How do you feel?
I feel great, man.
Yeah. We're gonna get you drip, man. You know what drip is?
Where's that?
We're gonna get you some clothes.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, dude.
Thank you. Yeah, you look very undercover cop.
No.
You never work for undercover cop?
No, I do this.
Oh, it's cool. Wait, have you ever met an undercover cop?
No.
Me neither.
Hey Kelly, can you say something for the camera? Say this.
What?
I'm gonna get dripped out.
I'm gonna get dripped out.
Yes, sir.
Well, what you want?
Look at those glasses. You like those?
Those are cool.
We got Kelly some glasses right there.
That look better?
Yeah, too good, bro.
Take that off.
With the haircut?
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna take that off right now, but dude, it looks so good with the haircut.
Yeah. You want some coffee?
Nah, I'm good, man.
You want some?
No, I'm
That's all
good.
yours, that's all yours. From there? Fuck yeah.
I appreciate it, man.
Nah, dude. Of course.
Y'all get repaid.
This is what we're here for. Man.
God, Jesus Christ, is why I love y'all too.
I want you to have a good day. You have a good day?
Yeah, I'm having a
then
good
I'm
day.
having a good day, man.
Oh yeah. Oh, you know what I did? I was in the basketball team.
Oh shit, no way.
Basketball. Basketball.
You were a baller back then?
Basketball. I played basketball.
Oh shit.
Y'all like playing basketball?
Yeah.
You know, we should play basketball time.
I'm down, bro.
We should go to Chicon Park. You know that Chicon Park plays some rural basketball.
You said you like basketball, right?
Yeah, basketball.
We find a basketball court. I'll play you one-on-one for $100. That's
$100.
Yeah, $100 one-on-one. If you beat me, I'll give you $100.
God damn.
That's a good deal, Kelly.
We need a basketball.
We'll find one.
We'll buy one at
for real?
Walmart or
Okay.
Target. Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Hey, you got a window, Kelly. You need to get those $100.
Yeah.
Go.
Basically the same thing. God damn, you finished that shit quick.
Yeah, fuck it.
You got plenty more, right?
All right, we got my boy Kelly here. We're gonna pick up some clothes.
Okay.
Get him something to eat over here at McDonald's, right? You mind McDonald's?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah? All right, let's go.
Hey, what about this one, Kelly?
This guy want to get you on that type of backpack.
I'm kidding, bro.
It's all good. That one of those.
Yeah, go ahead.
You want that size?
Yeah.
That size?
Yeah.
This is, you like this?
Yeah,
This is large, too.
Okay.
Yeah, I like this, yeah?
You like that one?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, let's go.
You
like the one?
Yeah, those.
You want to be all white?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh shit, that's gonna be lit.
I think these will be fine.
You like those?
These are way too big. They're 44.
I could put a belt on with them.
Okay, let's get it, let's get it.
Thank you.
Let's get it, no, yeah.
Okay,
Kelly.
cool. You got something for you?
No, I already got some at home.
Okay.
Let me see the looks. Let me see the looks.
Woo. Yeah, that will work.
Dude, that's perfect.
That's perfect.
So we got that, now we got shoes.
Oh, shoes? Okay.
Shoes.
Let's go. What's your name?
Marty.
Marty.
Okay, these are medium. Yeah, let's go.
That's fine.
Yep.
Thank you.
Alright, whole pack of long socks.
Okay, that's fine. Those would be perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. That's
Those are
perfect.
nice.
Yeah, those are perfect.
Go, let's go.
Okay.
We got everything you need. Yeah, I think we're good.
Okay, we're good.
All right.
They're doing a good job.
Oh, yeah, appreciate you, man.
There's a bunch of people that need help.
Yeah,
Yeah.
a lot, man.
It's hard, and then
Stuff, all these people.
the city doesn't want to do anything for you.
Nah, I mean, it just takes one to keep it
Yeah,
going, you know what I mean? No, yeah.
MartyBlendz, you said?
MartyBlendz
MartyBlendz?
on YouTube.
Okay, with the blends?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to throw this one away. I don't want
You want to throw it away?
Yeah, I don't want this shirt.
Okay.
Throw that fucking shit out, Kelly.
Bye-bye shirt.
Get that shit out of here.
We don't want that shirt.
We don't want that shit.
What you eat in the morning?
Yes.
Nothing.
Just coffee.
Hey, Kelly.
You look good in that book.
You look better. Look at you.
Yeah, you look better too. What are we gonna do today?
We go play some basketball. Ready?
Yeah.
You want to?
Yeah.
One, 2, 3. All of it.
can't chug all of it. Oh, he did.
That's a lot to chug.
Yeah, I can't drink all of it.
Hey, that was the Kelly's transformation.
Yeah, transformation.
Your little brother. Go, go, go. Get lit. Hey, but what happened to your tattoos though?
I don't know.
They just fucking disappeared.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Sucks, man.
What the fuck? I thought they were permanent.
They are, but they're underneath my skin.
Okay,
Underneath.
okay.
Underneath.
They're underneath your skin.
Yeah, all my tattoos. Of all the women I love.
Oh shit! So,
Yeah.
so you got each and every one of the names or what?
All the women are in love with me.
Oh, shit.
yeah.
How many is that?
Martha,
100?
You got Martha, Bernice,
Diane Garcia.
Diane Garcia. You got Leslie. Who else?
Amy.
Amy.
Jocelyn.
I got a
If I win, you get $100.
Okay.
All right.
Cheer me on. Huh?
Cheer me on, cheerleader.
Okay.
Go.
You ain't got like that.
You know what?
What?
You make a 3-pointer right now. I'll give you the 100 right now.
Oh, make a 3-point here?
Yeah, I'm tired, man.
Okay.
Oh shit! Dude, you got it.
I got it.
You know what though?
Huh.
I don't got the 100.
You give me 20?
No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, bro.
You
I'm
give
just
me
kidding.
20?
Yes, I got it. I got
You got
it.
me 100?
Yes, I got you.
Oh,
100.
no.
I got you 100, bro. I got you.
100, yeah,
He-
nigga.
dude,
For real?
yeah.
Okay, you give me 100?
Yeah, I got you 100 over there.
Yeah, I made the 100, yeah.
And one more.
I'm a motherfucking gangster, homeboy.
Alright, we just got done playing ball, and dude, I just want to thank you for just.
Thank you, bro. God bless.
I want to know, how do you feel? How do you feel,
I feel
about
great.
the big transformation?
Yeah, I love you too, man.
Dude, so you drink, you got a haircut,
Yeah.
right? And most importantly, you got the drip,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And I know you got that shot over there, so
Okay.
and I promised you those 100, right?
Okay.
So I got you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $100 for you, bro.
Oh, thanks, bro.
that's all yours, bro.
All right, thanks, man.
Yeah, dude.
Where
What do
we
you have to say to the camera?
Hey, we're some gangsters. Y'all made a lot of money
Some
right
gangsters,
there.
right? You want to put on the glasses for me?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
want to put on the shades?
Yeah, thanks, man.
Dude, now we got him stunning.
I know. MartyBlendz the GOAT.
Wait, I didn't hear that. What?
MartyBlendz the GOAT.
Thank you, man.
I appreciate it, man.
Dude, yes.
We're gonna go-
I had a blast with you, man.
Yeah.
That's been it for me. I'm MartyBlendz, and I'm out. Peace.